In this short presentation, I will show you how to create a narrated PowerPoint within Microsoft PowerPoint software environment. To begin with, we first want to either open or create a Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow. Here on my screen capture, you can see a slideshow that I created for the purposes of this instructional video that has two slides, an introductory slide and also a content slide. When I'm ready to record my audio for my narrated PowerPoint presentation, I simply select Insert and then scroll to the right and find the Audio tool, where I can drop down and see two options, either Audio on my PC or Record Audio. As the names imply, Audio on my PC will allow me to select an audio file already saved somewhere on my computer, whereas the Record Audio feature allows me to record a new audio file associated for this presentation. By clicking on Record Audio, I have this box that now is present that shows Record Sound, where I can edit the name of this audio file, as well as play, stop, and record the audio. Now, I omitted one step from this presentation, which is the installation and calibration of your recording device, your microphone or webcam, to get the volume to a point where it is at the appropriate level. I omitted this step because each peripheral device will have a little different instruction depending on the software that it came with. After you install your device and go through the software to get the level set, you're ready to begin to record your audio, which is as simple as just selecting the red record button here. When we do so, the audio begins recording, and we can see that the total sound length continues to increase for the duration of our recording. When we're finished speaking, we simply press the stop button, followed by OK. And what we see next, and I'll move it up for the purposes of better your ability to better see this, is an icon that shows up showing a little audio icon, signifying the user, creator, or viewer that there's an audio file associated with this particular slide. Now, when we select this icon, we see either the play button to play our audio file, we see a move back, move forward, and also a volume feature. Now, if we left this file as it is, and we go into Slideshow, we can see a viewer viewing your presentation would see your slide as well as this icon. They would have to select the icon and press play to hear the audio that you recorded. Now, you can also set this so that it plays automatically the minute someone begins watching your slideshow. This can be accomplished by selecting the icon within the Edit screen, and we see Audio Tools shows up as one of our tools or options. We have Format and Playback. When we select Playback, two audio styles is No Style, which is set by default, or Play in Background. If we select Play in Background, we see that Play Across Slides is now checked, Loop until Stop is checked, and Hide During Show is now checked. This will allow the presentation to play the audio the minute the slideshow begins and play it throughout the entire slideshow, throughout the entire duration of your presentation. So, when we go back to Slideshow and now view it, the narration would automatically play. So, we can do this for each slide that we have, either in chronological order or out of order. So if we decided we wanted to start on slide 2 instead of slide 1, again, we can simply go to Insert, Audio, Record Audio, and hit the Record button to begin recording our audio for this particular slide. OK. We have our icon, and now we're finished. And so that concludes the video on how to create a recorded narrated presentation within Microsoft PowerPoint environment.